This is his bachelor pad, but we don't want it to feel like a man cave or bachelor pad-y in any way. So we've known Chef for years.
Mm-hmm. He's our insurance agent.
So from Laurel, born and raised, went to school at Ole Miss, moved all around the country, ended up coming back.
He loves Ole Miss.
So he's a fellow Ole Miss.
Yes. We're all
Sidebar.
Ole Miss people, hotty-totty.
He has great taste
Yes.
in automobiles, style, design, music.
So you really like him.
Yes, he's very cool.
Yeah.
He's a cool guy.
Got
He
maybe
is
a little
cool
bit of
guy.
a man crush on the
Well,
Chef Shack.
I could have gone to someone else for my insurance, but
Chef.
I went to Chef.
He's bought the greenhouse. It's the greenest house in Laurel.
What is your favorite color?
Green, man. But that doesn't do it for me.
I want it to stand out, but not because of the color.
Agreed.
So the things we want to change, the color, but can it stay green?
Well, definitely, it's a much more muted.
Yeah, that's not the same green.
It's a pleasing green.
A very polite green. I feel like that's very Cheffian, and then we go with a cream trim, and then a little accent. To me, it's the color of black beans.
It is, because it has a touch of like a brown,
brown.
in there.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it too, and I think that could be perfect for our flower boxes. And then a stained wood front door.
He really wants a front porch.
He really wants a front porch. And we could save some money if we just build over the stairs that are already there.
This is crazy how fast the roof went on.
We ain't here to play, you know.
Ben, talk to me about your bachelor style. How would you describe your bachelor
When
style?
I was a bachelor, we had the Ottoman Empire.
Right.
Tell us about the Ottoman Empire, Ben.
The Ottoman Empire was this patchwork chair. It was a rocker that had wooden arms and it had an ottoman that matched it. And we put it in a room by itself.
Called that
room
the Ottoman Empire.
Empire.
That's
Today-
not going to happen
Yeah.
for Chef.
No, that's not
That
Chef's
is not
bachelor
Chef's
style.
bachelor life. His style in general is more sophisticated. Modern mission style, maybe?
Ooh.
I just want to have some of the simplicity of craftsman design in the interior because that sounds more like Chef to me.
That does.
What's the room got going for it?
It's not much.
Not much.
There's not any personality.
I want all of the colors in this house to just be derivatives of the exterior color. These gray greens and blues too that fall in that same range of color so that the art and the furnishings are what stand out.
I think we could do something a little special.
I'm thinking a coffee table.
I love that.
So I have 2 slabs of oak that came from the campus at Ole Miss.
You've been sitting on those slabs for like 10 years now. Is this the moment?
I think this is the moment. Like the base would be super simple, just black, clean lines, but then the top, I would cut it down to like a 3 or 4 foot wide piece. It would be this really beautiful, highly figured piece of wood.
I love it.
It'd be a modern mission style.
Interesting.
Oh man. I think that Chef's gonna really love it.
The layout of the kitchen, we need a little more room.
We had talked about taking this wall out between the kitchen and the living room.
Yes. So there's more openness between the kitchen and the living room. I mean, we've got this cabinet color that feels almost exactly like the exterior color.
Super similar.
And then backsplash. How do you guys feel about,
Nice.
I know it's highly patterned, but the colors, I mean,
Yeah,
Yeah, the colors blend really well.
don't they? It's like I want to keep everything neutral, but not boring.
Right.
And I think if you do a mixed tile where you have different patterns going on, it also gives you more colors that you can work with.
That is cool. Is this countertop?
That is what I'm thinking on countertop. A black.
Jet black.
Black countertops feel right to me. They feel masculine but sophisticated.
You don't want glossy.
I don't really want glossy. Can we afford leathered?
Yes.
We can?
Yes.
Thank you, Blake.
You're welcome.
Woo! Feel it.
Passes the feel test.
I love it.
we're taking one of the bedrooms and making it the master bathroom.
Because it didn't really have a true master.
No.
Right.
This is so nice. I mean, it's 4 times the size that it was.
Yeah.
And then in the bathroom, let's just continue this like neutral green-gray story. So this is the shower tile. I love it because it's a little bit, it's
Modern
got a,
mission.
yeah. You know, mission-style houses always went with these great, deep, dark, earth-colored tile work.
Right.
I like the distress.
It almost looks oxidized. Or
Yes.
Like it has that coppery, metal-y moment.
Yeah, it's very moody and masculine in a sophisticated way. This tile will be the real statement in that bathroom.
I hope that Chef comes home tomorrow and feels really proud that he's putting down roots in Laurel.
I think to make a house feel planned and intentionally designed, you have to be intentional about how you use the color.
Oh, killed it!
You love it?
Oh my goodness.
Using that gray, sagey green color on the exterior and then in every room of the house in some way is the connective tissue that holds it all together.
That's awesome. Oh, it's perfect. I love it.
It all makes it feel like different chapters of the same book. What I love most about Chef's house and the way it ended up is that we took a house that had basically no personality whatsoever, and now it has his personality. It feels masculine, but not over the top. It feels just right.